Hello and welcome everyone to yet another video of SDD with your mentor Vivek. Today we will be covering the basics of HTML in record time. So in this lesson you're going to learn HTML, that too in record time, and if you already know it, consider this a quick refresher. You can skim ahead. Here's the simplest way to think about it. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's a markup language that gives your web page its structure and lets you fill it with content, text, images, videos. That's the content, whatever you want. And by the end of this lesson, we'll have the bones of WorkshopHub's public landing page. Now, every proper HTML page has a skeleton. Let's build it. First up, the DOCTYPE HTML tag. This tells the browser I'm using HTML5, the latest version. Always start with this. Wrap everything in an HTML tag. A tag is just a container. It opens HTML, closes HTML with a slash. Every tag works this way. Inside, first the head, the metadata zone, stuff the browser needs but the user never sees, like meta charset UTF-8, so special characters render right, and title, which shows in the browser tab. Then the body. This is where the magic happens. Everything inside the body is what your visitor actually sees. Inside the body, let's add real content. The H1 tag gives you a big heading, your page's main title. For us, that's WorkshopHub. Want something smaller? Use H2, then H3, all the way down to H5. For regular text, use the P tag. That's a paragraph, 2 paragraphs. They stack one below the other. Without a P tag, text would just run together in line. Now, 2 quick essentials. Use BR, a self-closing tag, same with HR. It draws a separator line across the page. Now, lists. Use UL for an unordered list. Bullet points. For upcoming classes, ceramic basics, watercolor lab, weekend woodcraft. And if you want them numbered instead, then swap UL for OL. So OL will bring you the ordered list, and then it's done. Last essentials, images. The IMG tag takes attributes, extra knobs inside the tag. SRC tells it which image to load. And alt is the alternative text. If the image can't render, save, refresh, and the picture's on the page. And that's HTML in record time. Tags give structure, attributes add detail, and the browser does the rest. Next up, we turn the skeleton into a real WorkshopHub booking form. So see you in the next chapter. Bye for now and peace out.